Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks, where we meet with the top thought leaders and strategists in emerging technologies, digital assets, the regulatory landscape, and capital markets. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, and joining me this afternoon, we have Asllan, Chief Operations Officer at the Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange, known as ADX, as well as Faycal Belyazid. He's Head of Business Development and Sales with Middle East and Africa at Nasdaq. We're here to discuss capital markets in Abu Dhabi and the recent launch of ADX's enhanced trading and post-trade services platform. It is great to have both of you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks. Sakar, we'll start with you. Can you share your vision behind the new ADX initiative and what it represents?
Hi, Jill. Thank you for having me. And we are pleased with our continuous partnership with Nasdaq. Our vision is to be a leading financial marketplace, fueling sustainable economic growth. ADX is one of the fastest growing global exchanges. We are located in the capital of the United Arab Emirates. We play an active role in providing robust and reliable marketplace for companies to raise capitals and facilitate flow of investment. The new ADX is ADX Group. We are an exchange and two new independent subsidiaries, AD Central Securities Depository and AD Clear, our clearinghouse, which now covers both equities and derivatives. The ADX Group is designed for the future, to serve the evolving needs of our issuers, brokers, investors, and market players. Our new cutting-edge trading platforms and advanced post-trade technologies will enable us to be more resilient, scalable, and innovative marketplace.
And Faycal, Nasdaq is a strategic technology partner to ADX. So how has Nasdaq been supporting ADX in this transformation?
Thank you, Jill. We've had a long history with ADX as a Nasdaq customer, in fact, since their inception back in 2000. We have supported ADX with trading, technology, depository, surveillance, and we underwent a number of technology migrations since then with the aim to modernize their marketplace. The ADX has been quite up to date with their modernization journey as they set the pace with the forces of disruption, whether be it increased competitive pressures or advancements in technology. So we've been consistently speaking to ADX, and we built a very strong partnership with them as being their technological partner. And they've learned a lot from us as we've undergone a number of changes ourselves, and we are leaders in the technology world, both globally and regionally. Very recently, or back in 2022, ADX introduced a full-fledged CCP to the Abu Dhabi capital markets, and very most recently, as the subject of this call is, they underwent the go live with their state-of-the-art marketplace technologies, and we're very, very proud to be the chosen technology partner that supports ADX with their mission-critical solutions.
And Sakar, what makes ADX's new market infrastructure important, and how will it support your competitive position?
Jill, today ADX is recognized as one of the largest exchanges globally, ranking 18th from a market cap. We are the largest capital market in the UAE and remaining the second in the GCC from a market cap perspective. We have outperformed the MSCI Emerging Market Index over the last 5 years, and ADX General Index actually is increased by 86% since 2020. But our commitment to extend our advancements goes beyond the current achievements. With the new market infrastructure, ADX will be able to introduce a new market products, innovative solutions, and services. I'll be a bit more specific. I'll start from a trading side. What we have today is a trading engine that actually expanded to both derivatives and equities and all other asset class in one platform. Additional to that, we've already started utilizing some of the trading capabilities. Most recently, we've activated a negotiated deal features, and I was very pleased to see the activation and the use of it from the first day of us going live with the new technology. Moving from trading to the post-trade, our new CCP system is a modern, cutting-edge clearing platform. It's designed to standardize and streamline the post-trade processes, and I would like to highlight more like the word standardization. It offers a real-time margin calculation and collateral management. Within the post-trade, in addition to the CCP, if we look into the new CSD platform, it delivers value stakeholders by advancing our securities lending and borrowing services and aligning that further with the international standards. We are setting a foundation for the ADX group and expanding our global reach. We believe that the alignment of our clearing and settlement processes to the global best practices will increase our market liquidity.
And Faycal, does updated market infrastructure, does that frequently attract new investors with other clients as well?
Sure. So nowadays, safe and robust, efficient post-trade system or technology, it is a precondition to attract investors. It's not a luxury per se. It's a prerequisite. But during periods of volatility, presence of post-trade risk management, for example, is crucial to guiding the market to the right outcomes. So with the introduction of the CCP, ADX is covering that very well. Additionally, with the enhanced capabilities of their new trading system, the clearing system, the depository, markets can introduce new financial products, whether be it new derivatives, new fixed income, commodities, perhaps even in the future digital digital asset classes. So these diversified offerings can obviously attract a wider range of investors and increase market depth and trading volumes. Innovative technology is key to solving difficult challenges in general, and we believe it is our role as Nasdaq, and we are uniquely positioned to play this role to help customers minimize complexity, reduce friction, and enable their market participants and financial institutions that are connected to these markets to improve their resilience and enable their growth. We have a few examples that go beyond the Middle East. For example, in Asia Pacific, there is obviously a great desire to increase liquidity that has been a long feature in that market's vibrant economy. We are supporting that region with our financial technology. Another example is in the Latin American countries, where there is a major transformation of South American capital markets that is currently taking place as the forces of regional integration and enhancements to underlying technology combine to position them as a continent, as a global leader in the next wave of their industry innovations.
Mm-hmm. And Faycal, how does ADX leverage technology to elevate the trading experience and market efficiency?
The decision to transform ADX and modernize our infrastructure was driven by three factors. Boosting market efficiency is one of them, and one of the key aspects. In addition to that, increasing product diversity and strengthening our global connectivity. Focusing on the efficiency side, and here there's two, I always look at it like independently. Focusing first on the post-trade, ADClear successfully delivered a margin-based exposure management, which removes the requirement of 100% collateralization. Now, our members now are able to efficiently use their capital while the risk for their trades and exposure managed effectively by our clearinghouse, ADClear. ADCSD ensures efficient settlement and transfer of security. The new systems include many features. I'll use, for example, one of them, which is a direct integration with the Central Bank of UAE via a standard ISO messaging, which now fully automate the cash settlement side. I will go back to the trading systems. We moved to a very modern new matching engine tech architecture with a very specialized engines. This boosts our trading system resilience and performance by more than 400%.
Right. So, Faycal, from your perspective, when you think about leveraging technology to elevate the trading experience and market efficiency, how is Nasdaq approaching that?
I think in general, I would say that the move that ADX is making should focus on their adoption of international best practices, quite frankly. So with this new technological revamp where they've looked into standardizing in their modernization journey, they will manage to lower barriers of entry for international investors, custodians, members, and other various stakeholders. So this is key in their transformation as they move ahead. Now, as I mentioned earlier, there is a clear improvement in the risk management factor that ADX is introducing through their CCP organization under the new ADX. and supported by the Nasdaq technology. So sophisticated risk management tools, real-time risk monitoring enables them to have timely identification and mitigation of potential issues. ADX is playing a regional role as well in their global connectivity vision. There is the Tabatul Hub that Faycal can talk to later on, but integrating our technology does position ADX as a globally connected financial hub. The adoption of the CSD technology does facilitate interoperability between other financial markets and international markets, and therefore attracting foreign investors and issuers. But also I wanted to mention is that this transition from regional business flows that ADX is undergoing to more of a global use practices and accepted the best practices, such as, for example, moving away from pre-validation and introducing more sophisticated trades handling models. This model allows them for more activity and allows them to lower costs of trading to participants as they no longer need to pre-fund. So it does also have a benefit for market makers in the UAE market or the Abu Dhabi marketplace in more focus, where pre-validation is no longer a requirement and can operate in a more improved environment, which makes it easier for ADX to attract market makers in this example also.
Mm-hmm. So, Faycal, let's talk more about that. What impact will ADX's transformation have on investors and market participants?
We serve a vibrant and diverse investor communities representing over 200 nationalities investing in our 180 listed securities. This transformation is about creating a more liquid, transparent, and a global connected market. The new operating model with the CCP integration and risk management will further align ADX with the global best practices like Faycal highlighted. This will increase international institutional participation and further attract foreign direct investments. Now, we aim to increase market liquidity by expanding further to a new type of trading members. The new technology will enable HFT firms and maximization of the algorithmic trading. Algo houses looks for the speed and looks for standardization. And we believe with this transformation, there will be a higher appetite to participate and trade on ADX.
Right. And finally, Faycal, what long-term benefits does this transformation bring, and how does it tie into with Abu Dhabi's long-term economic strategy?
ADX has ranked among the top 10 globally by IPO proceeds for the past 2 consecutive years, with an estimate USD of 3.35 billion in 2024. The ADX group is a catalyst for capital growth and investment gateway for Abu Dhabi. We will continue to embrace initiatives and innovation that shape a thriving future of the UAE and reinforce Abu Dhabi's role as a leading global financial center and strategic investment hub.
All right. We appreciate both of your insights. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you.
Thank you.